Are you planning to study in Ireland? Want to know how to pick the perfect university? Stay with me for the next 5 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how to make the right choice. Let's get into it.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I guide students like you on everything about studying in Ireland. If you are a student planning for masters in Ireland, then this video is for you. So please hit the subscribe button and let's dive into the video. Choosing the right university in Ireland isn't about just rankings. It's about what suits your course, your career goals, and even your budget. So if you get this right, this experience here will be amazing. In this video, I'll guide you how to choose the right university in Ireland, like a step-by-step guide. Basically, there are 6 steps to follow. Step 1. Figure out your course. Don't just go for a university because it's popular or something. Research which universities are strong in your field. For example, if you are into tech, Trinity and UCD are amazing. And if you are into business, UCC have top programs. So just think like that, like focus on your course syllabus and how it fits your career goals. Like also check if they offer any internships or the strong industry ties, which would be a benefit for you. Step 2. Of course, we always check the university reputations and rankings. Ranking definitely matters, but not all the time. Rankings are useful, but they vary by course. Of course, the QS rankings will definitely help, but you just need to check the subject specific rankings for your program. A low ranked university may be top tier in your field. Just don't get blinded by overall rankings. Focusing on your program's quality is the most important thing you need to do. Step 3. Location and cost. Of course, location definitely matters. If you want to live in a crowded city like Dublin, or if you prefer a quieter city like Cork or Galway, or some people want to be in a county like Carlow or a town like Dundalk. So it depends on your preference, because the location definitely matters, because your cost of living depends on the location as well. So if you want to live in Dublin, obviously the cost of living will be this high. If you're fine with counties and towns or quieter cities, then the cost of living will be less. Of course, Dublin has big opportunities, but the cost of living was a bit higher than the other cities. Also, you can choose the other cities where the cost of living is affordable. So, estimate your living costs before deciding. Make sure your budget matches the city you are moving to. Step 4. Admission requirements and deadlines. So understand the admission requirements. Each university will have different eligibility. So check that first. Most Irish universities require IELTS or TOEFL. Actually, a band between 6.5 to 7. And the documents like your bachelor's degrees, SOPs, any recommendation letter or something. If you are a bit confused about what documentations we required, or what university we need to choose, and how to start all of this, just don't take any stress. I just have a solution for all of you, as I have partnered with Uniflik Consultancy Services. Uniflik is a student driven community that gives you genuine and unbiased guidance. They have supported over 120 students last year to secure offers from top universities like UCD and Trinity, and their visa success rate was 98%.
Their service comes at a small refundable fee of 799 rupees. But if you use my promo code, you can get it just for 499 rupees. So if you are serious about applying to premium universities abroad, starting with Uniflik can make the process much smoother. The link is in the description.
Step 5. Scholarships and financial aids. So, there are different kinds of scholarships you might get as an international student here. So, there is a scholarship which Irish government will provide, and few are university specific scholarships, and few of them get the Indian government scholarships. So just apply early and check if your university is providing any scholarship or something which you might be eligible for. So before coming, just check that. Step 6. And the final step, job opportunities and alumni network. So check job opportunities and alumni feedback before applying anywhere. Go to LinkedIn and search for alumni from your target course. Look at where they are working right now, and are they getting jobs in Ireland or not after graduation. So they give you a real proof of how good the course is, and after the completion of the course, how better are the job opportunities and all. So you will get a clear picture from them as well. Some universities have career support teams and job fairs. This can make a huge difference actually. So anyway, prefer a course that offers an internship or work placement option. That's your shortcut to landing a job faster after studies. And also, if you want the real time scenarios and real time stories of students who have came to Ireland for masters and secured a job here, I have done a few student interviews for you which are in my student playlist. You can watch it out on my channel and here as well. So just check them out, because they came for masters and finally secured a job here. They shared their journey and many tips for part times, accommodations, and what courses they can choose. What's their perspective of selecting a university, and also that will be definitely helpful for you. So this is exactly how you can choose the right university in Ireland. If you feel this video is helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you know the people who are planning for masters in Ireland, please do share this video with them. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next vlog. Please do subscribe. Bye.